Today we're going to talk to you about Windows App SDK and what's new in the 1.0 Preview 1. The 1.0 Preview 1 is now live, and it's an awesome opportunity for our customers to try it out and provide us feedback. We really want to hear from you and how we can make your life easier. So today we're going to walk you through the App Instance APIs and the App Window APIs and before you know it, 1.0 release is going to be coming up so soon, so stay tuned for that. So let's get to it. The App Instance API. So previously, to redirect activation, you would have to use mutex and named pipe. And frankly, it was a little bit complicated to do that. But now with App Instance API, you can redirect activation easily. And those APIs are now capable from C# apps in Preview 1. And allows you to easily redirect activation. So let me show you how that looks like in code. Before App Instance API, redirected activation used to look like that. We would have to use mutex and named pipes. And as you can see, it's a little bit of code, and that is only for you to create a single instance activation path that you want. For receiving redirected activation, you would have to set up the named pipe server to wait for the event on activation. And as you can see, it's just so much code from what I'm about to show you right now. Right now, the App Instance API, that's to redirect activation, life is a lot easier, and you can set up the App Lifecycle API in the Windows App SDK to use the app instance and redirect the current instance if the app is running. And the code is a lot simpler. Now with App Instance API, to receive redirected activation, if the app is running, you can use those same APIs to grab activation and direct it to the current running instance. And with that, I'm going to hand it off to Bridget to show you what else is new in 1.0 Preview 1. So off to you, Bridget.
Thank you. Another new feature in Preview 1 is the App Window APIs. They're for managing windows and include methods to make your window full screen or use compact overlay. Here we'll use the term App Window to refer to both the windowing platform itself and the specific API class. App Window is a WinRT layer on top of User32, intended to create an equivalent ease of use as UWP App Window that is aligned with the Win32 programming model. App Window is not WinUI APIs. The App Window is framework agnostic and can be leveraged by UI frameworks themselves. However, UI Framework's window object is still the core windowing object. App Window allows you to leverage windowing features that are not yet included in your UI framework's own API set. Apps that do not rely on a UI framework can also leverage App Window to reap the benefits of less code while making sure their windows align with Windows System UX. So, what is it we're shipping in version 1? It's all about interop and giving you the ability to get App Window for your existing windows, created by the UI framework of your choosing or from User32 APIs. To facilitate this, we provide helper methods that allow you to translate between different layers of the stack and from one object to another. Using this pattern tightly couples App Window from the framework window object in a way that if you change one, the other will change too. Think of it as operating on the same HWND, because that's really what's happening. Once you have an app window, we provide properties, methods, and events for the basic windowing scenarios. We provide a set of configuration options to help style your window while maintaining compatibility with Windows System UX policies and functionality. For example, when using the App Window APIs to configure the style of your window, we make sure that the rounded corners and snap layouts always appear as expected to the user. Speaking of styling your window, one of the big value props of using the windowing APIs is that it allows you to easily customize and brand your window, including the non-client area. In version 1, we provide a title bar API that allows you to color customize your window without having to write any non-client area code yourself. And if you create a completely customized title bar using the app window APIs, the platform is still in control of rendering the caption controls and the border of your window, thus guaranteeing that the rounded corners and snap flyout remains.